up, you guys? So in today's video I'm doing my annual Halloween costume try on haul. That was a fucking mouthful. And this year we have a special guest. My nephew Bash is gonna be doing a three-way matching costume with me and Callie. I think it's gonna be adorable. Super fucking hard to find costumes. However, I did find four. I found 4 costumes, so I think it should look so cute. Okay, so this is the first costume. Obviously you can tell what I am. I kind of made it a little more conservative though by like putting a black tank top on because the shirt literally fucking ends here. But oh my god, this is so cute. Wait. I would probably wear like tights with it. And it came with like fishnets that come to here, but like you can't even fucking see that, so I'm not putting them on. So now let me go get my little prisoners. Ew, that was so gross. Here's my first prisoner. It's scary. No, look at the camera. Wow. You look so good in your prisoner outfit. Look at you. You're a freaking prisoner. She hates the hat. We went over it last year. Hates hats. But it also, we're so done. And then here is our second prisoner. Wow, look at you. Look at you. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Oh shit, my whole head is cut off. Look at us! Wow, Callie! You look so good! This is so funny. Hold on, let me like... There we go. I think everyone can tell what we are. Okay, I know, you're done. Next costume. In the next set of costumes, it's Harry Potter themed. I am Hermione. I don't really watch Harry Potter, so I don't know much about it. But it was a super cute and easy 3-way matching costume. Super cute. Yeah! Look at you! Look at you with the Harry Potter! Okay, we'll take... Look how cute! You want to go with the Harry Potter? This is, Harry Potter. Yeah, this is Harry Potter. Birds and planes stuff. Work up. She's very angry. Look at her. She's Harry Potter. She's like, I'm literally gonna kill you if you don't get these glasses off my face. Look at her. So good. And then we got this other little Harry Potter. This is, oh, be careful. Why you gotta lick them? That's weird. We got the little baby Harry Potter. It's baby Potter. How cute is that? How cute is that? And he scratched his forehead today. So it really is like a little baby Harry Potter with the little scar. I am actually so dead. Look at him. Ready? Woo! Yeah, they're not very tight on your face. We got the cave. How dear is that little cave? Woo! No, sit. Sit, please. Thank you. Here is our 3-way matching costume of Harry Potter. Alright, so here I am filming off my phone because my camera died and I'm a dumbass and didn't charge any of the other fucking batteries that I have. So legitimately all of my batteries are dead and we're just halfway through the video. So the show must go on and we're gonna film on my phone and we're sailors! How dude? Oh my god, you're fresh and sharp. You're not even doing my face. Oh, so dry. And he's very grumpy. We have 2 more costumes, and this is one of them. Yes. sailors. Okay, I literally think I got a fucking lingerie Sailor Moon skirt because I had to put shorts on or else my whole asshole would be out. It's a little better. Okay, quickly. This is Callie's sailor costume. It's very cute. It's a dress. This is Callie's. Callie! Bashi! Bashi! Look! Oh, it hurts. Okay, so I am Dorothy. Can't really show off my costume very well because he doesn't want to be put down. But very Dorothy. This is the Caroline. Wow, that's the one. Look at that. Look at that line now. That is it. Oh, where is it? There he is. Oh. Okay. This is the Caroline Ryan. You know. It's Toto. Carrie, Toto. Carrie. Oh gosh. Everybody's so cute. Aren't they? Everybody's so mad at me. Wow. Look at this. How cute. So it's Dorothy, the Caroline, and Miss Toto in the picnic basket. I'm actually just going to arrange your mom in this. Say thanks for watching, everyone. I'm going because I'm so upset. I'm going back to my mom. What do you think, Carrie? I said yeah, get me out of here. And I hope you guys enjoyed. That was kind of a shit show. I'm sorry. It was literally just me getting me, the baby, and Callie all fucking ready. I'm sweating my ass off. My camera died. It just was awful. Promise next year will be better. But give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite costume was. Comment what costume you want to see next year. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.